Let us learn how to use this web application called MicroMeasure Image Analysis. The main buttons are found on the top right corner of the main screen. The first button from the left is the Home button. This Home button will lead you to the main website of the iNano Research Facility, de La Salle University, Manila. The next button is the Load a Demo Photo. You can use this to load a demo photo if you'd like to see how this web application works. For the meantime, I will click No because we will use that later. Next button is the Reset button. If you click that and pick Yes, you are going to reset everything and go back to the initialization point, which means you are going to lose the loaded image, lose the measurements and all the data that you have gathered. So be careful on using the Reset button. The second to the last is the Help button. You can see here the version number, the name of the developer, and other details. You can also see here the citation recommendation. Use this to cite this web application in your paper. Moreover, you will see here the documentation of the web application. There is also a disclaimer at the bottom part of this documentation. To close this documentation, click the Close button or click outside of this window. The last button on the menu is the Save image, which we cannot use at the moment. But later, I am going to show you how this operates. Alright, now we are going to load an image. There are two ways to load an image. One is to click the Load Image button on the left side. Choose an image file from your folder. See that the image has been loaded. Another way to load an image is to drag and drop a file from your folder. Now, allow me to use the Load a Demo Photo, so you can follow this tutorial. Yes, this is an SEM image or micrograph. The next thing to do is to set the scale. Find the scale of this image by moving the image. There are directional buttons here that you can use. You can also use your keyboard directional buttons to move the image. To magnify, you can use the zoom slider. Or you can use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out. I want to focus on this part to see the scale better. Left-click your mouse to place a point at one edge of the scale, and another left-click on the other edge of the scale. Input the length of the scale. You can have it in micrometer or nanometer. After saving the scale, you are now ready to take measurements. There are 5 kinds of measurements here. You can measure the length, the angle, the area, the particles, and the holes. Using the length measurement, let us measure the diameter of the sphere-like objects. Left-click on one edge and click on another edge, considering that the line should pass through the center. Doing the same for the other sphere-like objects. What if there are labels obstructing your measurements? There is a way to show or hide the labels by clicking this button. After getting enough data, click this button to show the descriptive statistics. The data can be copied as TSV by clicking this button. To show the histogram, click this button. You can change the bins here. You can save this image as SVG. Now, let us try the angle measurement. For that, you need to click 3 points. This ANG1, by the way, is the ID for this measurement. Going back to the Length tab, you will notice that all of the measurements have their own ID. Let us measure more angles. You can also switch between the larger or smaller angle being measured. To edit the points and vary the measurement, click this button. Measured lengths can be edited too. You can also copy the data as TSV or download them as CSV. This time, let us measure the area of sphere-like objects. You have to click around the edges of the object to measure the area. To close the polygon, click this button. It now shows the area of that polygon. You can also use the circle feature if you want to create a circle and measure its area. Simply start at the center, then click and drag to change the size of the circle. Next kind of measurement is for the particles. I want to measure the size of the particles on this region. So I have to select that region. For the setup, I will choose the adaptive thresholding. For the minimum area, I will input the value based on my analysis of my previous area measurements. I will set the minimum area to be 5,000. Finally, we run the Analyze Particles. That's it. It automatically measures the size of those particles in that region. Let us check the descriptive statistics and the histogram. The last kind of measurement is for the holes. Let us say that instead of particles, the white ones are holes. Select this region and choose adaptive thresholding. An important setup is to identify whether the holes are dark or bright. The analysis is complete. Let us review the descriptive statistics and histogram. Our analysis is complete. To save this image with the annotations, Click this button and pick Yes. Notice that the annotations are still on the saved image. Great job! You completed the tutorial. Don't forget to cite this web application if you use it for research. Thank you.